I gotta install this thing come the next few days after I fix my wound. I pulled the burner out because I gotta convert it to LP gas. These come natural gas. I got a kit in the house. I pulled all the panels off looking for that little piece there. That's your exhaust. Blows the exhaust away from the unit. Mine is right there. Big old stack right there. This is the one I've had here for 15 years. It's getting tired. It's going to go down to the building. I'm going to use it for a furnace down there. Paid $4 grand for this thing here. 3 ton. So we'll go ahead and get it converted. And we will get it the gas valve back in. Here's where your exhaust intake air and your export air go in. This will be your warm air going in. This will be your cold air coming out. I got pipes. I got everything to go back in. So I got sheet metal already done up. Just a matter of getting this thing moved over, put it on the concrete pad, and get this gas valve done.